Assalamualaikum, welcome to Pharma Inform. If you are calculating the mixing of powders in rapid mixing granulator in term of time, mean if you are calculating the mixing of powders in minutes or seconds, it is a wrong practice. It is a very shocking news for you that the calculation of mixing in term of time is the wrong practice. So what is the right practice? We will discuss all this in this video. And if you have not subscribed my channel, first of all press the subscribe button. So let's start our video. In this video we will discuss what is the right practice to calculate the mixing of powders in rapid mixing granulator. What is the tip speed, what is the importance of tip speed, and what is the calculation of tip speed. We will discuss all this with the practical example. So let's start our video without wasting any further time. The calculation of mixing in rapid mixing granulator must always be taken in term of the distance traveled by the impeller blades. Mean we should always measure the mixing in rapid mixing granulator in term of the distance. What is the technical term used for this phenomena? The technical term used for this phenomena is the tip speed. So what is the tip speed? Measure of the distance traveled by the tip of impeller blade at a specified RPM in a defined period of time is known as tip speed. To understand the concept of tip speed, let's take the help of a rough diagram. Here we have mixing bowl of rapid mixing granulator and we have three impeller blades. Here is the tip of one impeller blade. The distance covered by the tip of specific impeller blade at a defined RPM in a defined time is known as tip speed. Suppose if we take this tip and when it will move from this point and will cover the complete round, this is known as the tip speed. Mean distance traveled by the tip of specific impeller blade in a defined period of time at defined RPM is known as the tip speed. What is the importance of tip speed? The importance of tip speed is very great in term of the scale up of our batches. Mean when we are going to scale up our batch from the laboratory scale to the production scale, or from small production scale to the large production scale, or we are going to change the small scale equipment to the large scale equipment, then this tip speed calculation will help us to exactly calculate the time required for the mixing of the scale up batches. In this video we will also calculate the tip speed for the small production scale batch and also calculate it to the large scale production batches, and the concept will be clear to you. So first of all, have a look over the formula of the tip speed. Tip speed is equal to pi into d into n. What is the d? D is the impeller blade diameter and n is the impeller RPM. Pi value is equal to 3142 and divided by 60. So let's have a look over the practical example where we will calculate the tip speed for a small production scale batch of 150 kg using the rapid mixing granulator of 400 liters, and then we will calculate the mixing time required for the large scale production batch using the 1200 liters of the rapid mixing granulator. So now we will calculate the tip speed. First of all, for the 400 liters of the rapid mixing granulator where our batch size is the 150 kilogram, then we will calculate the tip speed for the 1200 liters of the rapid mixing granulator where our batch size will be the 500 kilogram, and we will also calculate the mixing time required for these two batches for the scale up purpose so that our blend uniformity remain same. So our values for the 400 liter rapid mixing granulator are d is equal to 0.3 meter, mean diameter of impeller blade is 0.3 meter, RPM of impeller are 75 RPM, and pi value is equal to 3142. Put these values in this formula. Pi is equal to 3.142 into d is equal to 0.3 into n is equal to 75 divided by 60, and after calculation the answer is 1.178 meter per second. Mean our tip speed in the 400 liter rapid mixing granulator is the 1.178 meter per second. Our tip of impeller blade in 400 liter RMG covers 1.178 meter distance in 1 second when it is set at 75 rpm and has diameter of 0.3 meter. Now put values of the 1200 liter rapid mixing granulator in the formula and calculate the value. 3.142 into rpm in both cases are same, means 75 into 0.9 divided by 60, and the answer will be 3.534 meter per second. Mean having same rpms, our distance traveled by the tip of impeller blade in 1200 liters is the 3.534 meter per second. So if you are going to scale up this batch from 400 liter to the 1200 liter, how you will calculate the mixing time? Now here is the main point. Remember, at the start of video I told you that the calculation of mixing time in term of minutes or second is the wrong practice. So suppose if we are mixing our batch in the 400 liter mixing granulator for 300 seconds, then the total mixing distance traveled by the tip of rapid mixing granulator impeller blade will be the 1.178 into 300. And in the same way, if we mix it for the same time, mean 300 second, then the value will be calculated as 351 meter, and here we have the answer of 1060.2 meter. Mean in 400 liter rapid mixing granulator, our distance traveled by the impeller blade is 351 meter, and here is the 1060.2 meter, which are not same, and our mixing will not be uniform. We will adjust the mixing time for the scale up batch. We will adjust it equivalent to the 350 meters. How we will do it? We will reduce the mixing time. So how much time will be required? We will now calculate it. So if we mix our powder in the 1200 rapid mixing granulator for the 100 seconds, mean 3.534 into 100, it will be equal to the 353.4, which is nearly equal to the 351 meter. So from here you are now clear that our mixing time for the small scale batch and the large scale batch will not be same in the small capacity equipment, and in the large capacity equipment we must have to calculate the tip value, and then we will adjust the mixing time for the powders in the rapid mixing granulator. I hope now you are familiar with the concept of tip speed, and if you have any doubt you can comment in the comment box. I will try to clear your concepts. If you like my video, share it to others and do subscribe my channel. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.